Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I think today is going to be some yard work and finally some listing. I'll show you some of the stuff that I'm listing. I'm going to show you where my garden is, and I'm going to show you my friend and neighbor, her garden, because aquaponics, that's where it's at. So let me show you what my garden looks like. Those are the potatoes down there. They're coming along. My cucumbers and the peppers. Lettuce is great and ready to eat. Some squash and scallions and peppers. Look, the little pepper trees all blossom. That's some cabbage that's going nowhere. And got the little ones here. I think that's cabbage too. Herbs, lettuce. There's nothing in that one. Lettuce, snap peas. My hibiscus is coming back. Had it for a couple years now. I think that's some basil there. That's some more cabbage. That's the string beans down there. The tomatoes, okra. Got some more okra down there. I mean, it's coming along, but I'll show you the difference. I got some. See, my neighbor, my friend, she gave me some of these tomatoes. We did them yesterday, but that's my lettuce. And that's some basil. I have to wrap them up or else the squirrel and the deer will eat more than me. So take a walk with me over to her setup. See hers? See how big and fresh and lovely her garden grows. It grows really quickly in this water. Maybe that's what we all should be doing. And you have more room. Don't worry, I got permission. So let me take you around and show you what I'm going to be listing today. And this will make my daughter happy because when I'm finished with the yard, I'm actually going to come, since it's a nice sunny day, and list all this stuff. So here we go. We got some New Balance. We got some Nike Air. I had these listed on eBay, and somebody made me an offer that I accepted. Apparently it was a scam. So eBay told me to relist them and don't answer any messages from this person. I have these mugs. There are two of them. They're made in Japan. I can't find nothing. There's a lot of crazy, so they're old, but I can't find nothing on them. I have a Pyrex dish here. Dish. These are Bob Mackie. Bob Mackie got two Bob Mackie cups. I have the Minnie Mouse mug. It's heavy. This is fire, I think it says. I have this donut teapot. This is a Lalique trinket tray. And I have the Lalique owl. And I think he's Fenton. Yeah, little Fenton bear here. And I got some Christmas stuff and the old ugly horse, Mickey Mouse, and some more Christmas stuff. For Christmas. I'm going to be posting my Christmas stuff. I know I have a whole bunch of it. I have that really pretty Sadler coffee cup. It's so pretty. Maybe I'll post that, maybe not. But we have a whole bunch of stuff that I do not have a niche. I sell everything. I watch other people. I see what they're selling. If I'm out and I see something, oh, so-and-so had that, then I will pick it up. So I have this cute little apron here. None of this, I haven't done any comps, but I have a bunch of plushies. I have a Santa plushie here. I think he is Father Christmas. from Boyd's Beer. I have a few hats. Mickey. And I have a berry people. He's the groom. I have him. I have a big one of him too, but my daughter said no. I have the gazelle. It's the potato head. Another Mickey. And my Eeyore. Eeyore? See Eeyore? My pink Eeyore? No. I'm not selling him. I'm not. I don't know if I'm selling the Smurf. I might hang on to him. And the funky chicken over here. He's weird. Look. It's a South Pole hat. It's a fitted hat. And I have the racing hat. NASCAR. I have an Eagles hat. Another racing hat. I guess I got my work cut out for me today. For the most part, this is all I'm going to be doing today. After I do my yard work, I have to commit myself to this because if it's out here, then I'll do it. And so guys, I hope you are having fun and enjoying the sun. And whatever you do today, be safe. And I'll see you next time. This is Cheryl. Bye.